Hey guys, welcome back to Roma's Kitchen. Now, if you are new to the channel, welcome for the very first time. And if you're not new to the channel, thank you for sticking around. So today I'll be showing you just something that's very simple that you can make for breakfast. And when you're through watching this video, don't forget to tag a planting lover because I know a planting lover is going to love this. I am a planting lover and this is perfect for me. So if you want to see how this egg and plantain frittata is made in Roma's kitchen, stick around right after this intro. So we're going to start off by adding 2 teaspoons of oil to our pot. I'm adding some olive oil to the pot. If you can add whichever oil you have available, but this is what I have, so this is what I'm using. Now I'm going to be using my pastry brush to grease the bottom of my pan just to ensure that it's nice and greased because it's a little oil, just a little bit of oil. And at this point your pot should be over medium or low heat, and then you're going to get ready now to add your seasonings. First things first, I'm going to be adding in some tomatoes, then I'm going to be adding in some finely chopped onions, I'm going to be adding in some red bell peppers finely chopped as well, and some green bell peppers finely chopped as well. Now I'm just going to be sauteing the seasonings, just to release the flavor from the seasonings. In my oil, you do not want to fry your seasonings. And I'm just now going to be adding in 1 beef sausage. You can add chicken sausage, pork sausage, whichever sausage is your favorite sausage. And I'm just going to allow the beef sausage to get the flavor from the tomato, and the bell peppers and everything. Now I'm going to be adding in a pinch of salt, a pinch of all-purpose seasoning because you need your frittata nice and seasoned. I'm going to be adding in a pinch of cayenne pepper, guys, just to get it a little spicy, and also a pinch of black pepper. Of course, if you need it very spicy, you can add more pepper. Now, at this point, I'm just allowing my seasonings to get all over my beef sausage and to get the powdered seasoning mixed with the other seasonings, and I'm just moving this around in my pot just a little. So now guys, I'm going to be adding just a little seasoning to this that is going to make a whole lot of difference in your frittata. You definitely want to add this. I'm just adding a pinch of curry powder, and I'm telling you, this will give it a very good flavor. You want to add some curry powder to your frittata. Now I'm just going to be mixing this just to get all the seasonings nice and together and everything all over my beef sausage. And I'm just going to be moving this around for 1 to 2 minutes just to get the curry powder nice and cooked a little, and then my filling will basically be ready. So now I'm just going to turn the stove off, and then I'm just going to actually move on to getting my eggs ready for this filling. Now I have 4 eggs here, and I've added a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper, and I'm just going to whisk this until it's just nice and together, and I'm ready to add my filling. You can whisk this for about 1 to 2 minutes, and then it will be perfect. Now that's it, and it's ready for me to add the filling. So guys, here I'm just adding in all the filling. You just want to get everything from your pot into your egg mixture. So I'm just going to be mixing this all nice and together. Then I'm going to move on to preparing my pan for baking, and at this point your oven should be on and at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 to 177 degrees Celsius. You're greasing your pan to ensure that when the frittata is finished baking and you want to remove it from your pan, it's not really sticking. So now I'm just going to be adding all the mixture to my baking pan, ensuring that you get everything out, all your sausage, your tomato, all your seasoning, everything in that pan. And you want to just, move these around a little, ensure that it's all over your frittata, it's all over your pan. Now it's time for me to add the fried plantains. I went ahead and I fried 2 plantains. The plantains I have are very small, so I had to fry 2. And I'm just going to really layer these all over my frittata mixture. I'm just going to go around in a circle until it's just nice and covered. So this is it. My plantain is just all over my frittata mixture and it's time to go in the oven. I'll be leaving this in the oven for just 20 to 25 minutes. Then it will be ready and nice, and I'll come back to show you what it looks like. Now this is my frittata, my egg and frittata, guys. My egg and plantain frittata. It is looking so good, and I'm telling you, it is tasting so good as well, and it's smelling good too. So let me know in the comment section if this is something that you try. This is perfect for breakfast. It is perfect for your kids and all of that. So just let me know in the comment section if this is something that you try, what you think about the recipe. And of course, if you like the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notifications on so you won't be left out of any of my future videos. Of course, tag a plantain lover. Until next video.